Hi, I'm Lisa, owner of HomeStyle Furnishings, a furniture retailer with 3 stores across Tennessee. For over 11 years, we've been helping people make their homes comfortable and stylish. Running a retail business like ours comes with significant challenges. A lot of our cash is tied up in inventory. Managing payroll for both permanent and casual staff adds complexity. We've been relying on an expensive part-time CFO to manage our finances, including debt management. I used to spend countless hours trying to understand our financial situation through complicated spreadsheets and reports sent by the CFO. It was stressful and took me away from focusing on our staff and stores. Then I discovered Simply Cashflow.io. Now I have a clear, real-time view of our cash flow. I can see how much cash is tied up in inventory, forecast payroll schedules, and monitor our debts, all in one intuitive platform. The best part? Their AI CFO feature provides intelligent insights whenever I need them, without the hefty price tag of a part-time CFO. Since adopting Simply Cashflow.io, we've streamlined our financial management, reduced costs, and I can focus more on growing the business. So, to my fellow retailers, if managing finances feels overwhelming, give Simply Cashflow.io a try. Because running a retail business is challenging enough. Managing your cash flow shouldn't be.